This is the Sheraton Old San Juan and 2 queen beds. This is room 625. And I don't know what category this is, but it's parking lot view out there. But then there's kind of the fort. You can see the fort out there. So we were very close to the cruise ship port. Really centrally located, a really good location. And then over here, you can see all the amenities, the TV and desk area, no refrigerator, but there is a safe big enough for a laptop. And you can see all of the storage. And then we will go into the bathroom and show you that. But like I said, there's not a microwave or refrigerator in this one. And then zooming around, we will go into the bathroom, and it has the tub and the shower extender, so you have a little bit more room. So once again, this has been room 625 at the Sheraton Old San Juan. So this is on the rooftop pool deck of the Sheraton Old San Juan pool and hot tub, and then it overlooks the water. And boom, you've got a cruise ship there. That is how close the cruise ships dock to the hotel. Okay, so we have been at the Marriott Old San Juan for about 24 hours. Have to admit, the location is fabulous. If you want to be right by the cruise ship port, I mean literally right by it, you can see the cruise ships from the pool, then this is a fabulous location. If you're wanting to stay in Old San Juan and want a great location, it is easily walkable as well. There are probably some other hotels that are deeper into the middle of the old historic district that might work better for you. And then also to note, and we did not know this, is that when we were on our celebrity cruise, we thought that we were just going to disembark and then spend the night here. So the bridge tour that we were on Celebrity Cruises says no in Old San Juan, embarkation and disembarkation are done at a different port. Not this one. This port right by the hotel is only for ports of call. So if you're booking this hotel thinking that you're going to be right by the port where you are coming on or coming off, you could be mistaken, because from my understanding, that's not going to happen. That's going to be the other port. We had 3 people with 3 pieces of luggage, and they charged us $15 to get from that port to Marriott Old San Juan. So just an FYI, if that's how you are booking this reservation for any reason. It is an older hotel for sure. I don't know. it seems like a little bit of a high price point for what you are getting, but maybe it's not. So that's up to you. It is great if you're wanting Marriott rewards or points, or to use points and to get status like that. Be sure to hit subscribe for more hotel reviews from around the world and a glimpse into the favorite hotel rooms that we've stayed in.